Hey everyone! The holiday season is here, and I've put together an Amazon holiday gift guide for 2024. From tech must-haves to cozy comforts, these gifts are perfect for friends, family, or even yourself. Let's dive in and find that perfect holiday gift. Beats Flex. Kicking it off with the Beats Flex earbuds. These wireless earbuds have a sleek design, great sound quality, and stay put whether you're working out or just chilling. Perfect for music lovers who want a reliable pair that doesn't break the bank. Now, onto something to keep those drinks at just the right temperature. Contigo SNAPSEAL Travel Mug. Check out the Contigo SNAPSEAL Travel Mug, ideal for keeping coffee hot or water cold for hours. Its leak-proof design is perfect for commuters or anyone on the go. Plus, it's durable and easy to clean, making it a thoughtful, practical gift. Now, speaking of cozy, our next pick is just right for relaxation. MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones. For those who love a good night's sleep, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones are a game changer. They're comfortable, wireless, and even help block out noise, making them perfect for travel, meditation, or bedtime. A great gift for relaxation lovers. Arboleaf Body Fat Scale. Next up, the Arboleaf Body Fat Scale. This scale isn't just about weight. It provides a full body analysis with metrics like body fat, muscle mass, and BMI. It syncs with health apps, so it's ideal for anyone focused on health and fitness goals. JALL Wake Up. Light alarm clock. Want to make waking up a little easier? The JALL Wake Up light alarm clock simulates sunrise, gradually brightening to wake you up naturally. It also has soothing sounds and a sunset mode, perfect for winding down. A great gift for someone looking to improve their sleep routine. UMAID Himalayan Salt Lamp. The UMAID Himalayan Salt Lamp brings a warm glow to any space and is known for its calming vibes. It's a beautiful decor piece and makes a relaxing addition to any room. Perfect for those who enjoy a cozy, ambient atmosphere. Circle Joy Electric Wine Opener. Next, for the wine lovers, we have the Circle Joy Electric Wine Opener. It's sleek, easy to use, and takes the hassle out of opening a bottle. A practical and stylish addition to any holiday gathering. VOPLLS Bluetooth Karaoke Microphone. For anyone who loves karaoke, the VOPLLS Bluetooth Karaoke Microphone is the perfect gift. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and you're ready to sing your heart out. Great for parties or family gatherings, it's a fun, interactive gift. SURI Sonic. Keep things fresh with the SURI Sonic electric toothbrush. It delivers a deep, thorough clean and has multiple modes to cater to different brushing needs. A great gift for anyone who loves high-tech self-care. Mr. Beer Complete Beer Making Kit. And finally, for the craft beer enthusiast, the Mr. Beer Complete Beer Making Kit is a fun, hands-on gift. It includes everything needed to brew beer at home, making it a unique experience gift for beer lovers. And that's my Amazon holiday gift guide for 2024. From practical picks to fun gadgets, there's something here for everyone on your list. Check out the links in the description to pick up any of these, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more holiday finds. Happy gifting, and see you in the next video.